Hey there guys, welcome to another video. This is Code Tutorial for you. Today we're doing another Edabit problem. It's called Convert Minutes into Seconds. So it asks us to write a function that takes an integer, minutes, and converts it to seconds. So right here you can see the example. So 5 minutes is going to be 300 seconds. 3 minutes, it's going to be 180 seconds. 2 minutes is 120 seconds. Uh, if you do not know, every minute has 60 seconds, so that's all we're going to do. We're going to multiply the integer minutes times 60, and that's how we get the number of seconds. So let's go to the code tab. So we could just do return minutes times 60. That should give us the answer. Should pass all these tests that we have right here. And there we go, pass all the tests. Or we could do a different way. We could have an int seconds is equal to minutes times 60, and we returned seconds. And then we check it, should give us the same result as the previous code, and there we go, passed all the tests. Thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.